Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best GoPro mounts and accessories. Today, we're talking about the GoPro Performance Chest Mount, one of the top choices for those who want to capture hands-free, immersive footage. This official GoPro accessory is designed for all GoPro cameras and is perfect for anyone looking to up their filming game. The GoPro Performance Chest Mount features a lightweight and flexible construction that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're biking, hiking, or even skiing, this mount is made to keep you comfortable during all types of activities. The padded and breathable materials ensure that you won't feel weighed down, no matter how long you wear it. Adjustability is another standout feature. This chest mount is fully adjustable, allowing it to fit a wide range of body types, even over heavy winter jackets. The special quick-release buckle is a game-changer too. It makes it incredibly easy to get in and out of the mount, even if you're wearing gloves. This makes it ideal for those cold, action-packed days when you want to make sure your camera is ready to go without fumbling with complicated straps. Now, let's talk about stability. The GoPro Performance Chest Mount offers a solid and stable platform for capturing ultra-immersive footage. The low-profile design ensures that your GoPro stays in place, even during intense action, which is key when you're filming high-energy activities like mountain biking or running. Overall, this chest mount is not just comfortable but also offers a great way to capture those unique perspectives, making it a must-have for GoPro enthusiasts who want to take their filming to the next level. If you're looking for the best way to capture footage from your chest, this mount is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of the best GoPro mounts and accessories, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for all the latest reviews.